Hey y'all. Alright, so today I'm preparing 30 amp power supplies. These were in the 8 pill that did fine on AM, but the minute you put it on single sideband, it imploded like 4 of them. So anyway, way to check would be the ones in the back. I've already replaced these with 2 new ones, even though one of these are good. But a quick check, if you don't have a transistor checker, is just simply put your multimeter in continuity. You should not have any continuity between this leg and this leg. Continuity. That transistor is bad. This transistor is good. Let me put the bad one out of the way. Let me put this one over here with the others that are good. I've just been replacing them with new. So, I'll put this on volts. And we should see the green light come on. Something wrong with my switch here. There we go. Had my switch on my power cord off. So now we should have 14.5 volts. $14.52. Now, what is originally in the power supplies is a 13009D. These are 13009Ds, high-speed switching transistors. Now, I have changed it in a couple other supplies, and that didn't make it come on. I had one supply that was brand new that never came on, and so I checked that, and they were fine, and the power supply just never came on. So I resoldered everything under the board, and I said, piss on it. Okay, anyway, these are 13009Ds. These are what I replace them with. They are EL 13009. I mean E1309. Oh Lord. EL E13009L. Damn. E13009L. Sorry about that. But these are what I replace them with. I've already got 2 replacing this one. This was a dead supply. And so we already seen that it is working now. So I just want to put a little bit of heat sink compound on here. If I run out of video time, then I will just come back with another video. Put a little bit here too, I guess. Might as well while I got it out. I'll put it back in the case it came out of. And you want to make sure that the metal part of the back of the transistor doesn't touch anything metal. just simply throw this back in here. Lord have mercy, I knew that thing was going to fall off. I don't know why I even tried it. Ha! I'm trying to hurry up before I run out of
Saturday radio checks for $1 apiece. Not sound good.
let's just go ahead and speed up this process a little bit. These power supplies actually had every screw in them. I know this is taking way too long, but oh well, it is what it is. Man. Alright. Unplug that before I get electrocuted. That would be not good. Now, these are 14.5 volts. The other ones were dropping to like 14 volts at 30 amps. With a constant 30 amp draw for, I think that lasts like 15 seconds on the load tester. It's worked very well, as a matter of fact. I had to load test them just to be sure that everything was good. Okay, so we're all good here. Just gonna pop the top back on it so nothing gets on the inside. Don't have to put all the screws in it right now, because I am kind of like rushing here. So that should be good. Alright. As you can see, I had this one marked bad. But I didn't throw them away. Don't throw them away. They might be salvageable. What it is, the way I got them modified, they didn't protect themselves. Oh well, it is what it is. These have 25 volt caps in them. Let's see, let's take the negative. Let's throw it right here. Just leave the positive right here. Check if we can see the load tester. It's going to be volts, this is going to be amps. Right there is 50 amps. 0 to the middle, between the hundreds, 50 amps. I'm only going to go up 3 bars. It's going to be 30 amps. Can we see that? I don't think we can. There we go. Now we can see it. Okay. So we're going to load test this puppy. She is back alive again. And it may implode. We're going to see. Okay. amps. Didn't implode, and the volts didn't quite drop down to 14 on this one. Let me turn this volume down. It's 30 amps. Rock solid 30 amps. Only dropped a couple tenths of a volt. I like to do this to all the power supplies, just for the very reason that, well, sometimes what you get from China just ain't gonna work, and you go through all the trouble of not load testing them, then you may have just wasted your time trying to use it. I got a 50 amp in there with the fan on the back, one of the big ones, and it won't even hold a 2-pill before it protects itself. So I mean, I don't know what to think about that. I have to look at that one too. But yeah, I decided I'd go on ahead and repair power supplies today. And I hope that was informative to y'all. It doesn't work on every power supply, but if you do try it and you have good ones, keep them. Because I only bought like 10 of these, so after I run out of those, I'm gonna use these other good ones. So 73, so y'all, we're gonna mark this one good now. G-O-O-D, and I'm gonna put the rest of the screws in it before I forget. Alright, y'all take care. 73s. I hope that's informative and helped y'all some. Bye.